Yes! Come on, Penny.
She's pregnant.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes! There's looks like there's multiples in there.
There is.
There's
3?
and at least 3. Oh my gosh.
I think there's 4 up there.
Oh my gosh. 4?
The only other time we had 4 is like 2
Look
other
how
times.
cute!
Oh my gosh. Good job, Penny. So
Yes, you too, Minnie.
these are Willow's siblings.
Yeah.
Because Willow's dad is Floki too. So
They're compatible to make good babies.
so Willow will have 4 little siblings to play with and bully.
Oh yeah.
That
Where are we
is
gonna
so
keep them?
crazy.
Oh, so here's 1 here,
Okay.
2, 3. Here, let me do this, DaNelle.
Okay.
She old.
1, 2,
2,
3,
3.
4.
Wow. Move it back.
There you go, good girl. So she's got 1.
So she's pregnant.
She's pregnant, but I gotta make sure there's a heartbeat, DaNelle. There's
Oh.
only 1 and just a little bit of fluid, so I gotta
Okay. Okay.
look at this thing a little better here.
Okay.
Okay.
So there is a heartbeat.
Yep.
Okay.
So she just has 1 though.
Okay. We like when they have just
Yeah, Willow
one.
was a single child.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just kind of hard. It kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of
Here
hiding.
it is. Yeah, it's hard to see. Right
Well,
in here.
at least she has 1. At least she's pregnant. Come on, Tilly. Please be pregnant. Please. We need you to have a baby now.
It's like miniature.
She's got babies.
Woo! Good job. It worked.
Alright.
Wow.
Doing just
I'm
good.
kind of surprised because he just barely, got her. Wow.
I know, Minnie, isn't it exciting?
You so proud that you got them all pregnant? Doing the lip thing.
So there's 1 right there.
Okay.
I don't know, DaNelle. My
Okay.
gut tells me there's more than 1 in there. I just can't see it.
Okay. That's all right. As long as we know she's pregnant for sure, we're happy with that. So
She is for sure.
they're like from my eye, I see 3. But are you looking for
No.
heartbeats?
Well, you see 3 sacs. There's not 3 babies in them.
Oh, so they could just be. Oh, okay,
You
got
can
it.
have a whole bunch of sacs and not have a baby. There's only a baby right up there that I'm seeing.
Okay.
Right there. See that bouncing around right there?
Yeah.
I think that's somebody right. I think there's somebody right there, and then the other one is up here in this sack.
Okay. All right.
Right there is that one for sure, but I think there's another one.
Okay.
I'm gonna say 2 on her.
Okay. All right, Tilly. Good job.
Do it.
Rest of the column.
Okay, so this is the one we hope isn't pregnant. 'Cause she doesn't.
She's a bit
pregnant.
unstable.
She's-
so we don't.
well with pregnancy.
She is.
She's pregnant. Oh my god.
She is?
She is.
Oh my word, Luna!
Thought you were too tall.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
So the one time that they got together, the one time
it was like half a day that they were together, and it's like,
oh my
it only
gosh.
takes a minute, huh, Luna? Oh
But
my
she's
word.
super early though.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Luna, look at your little baby hanging upside down. It's beautiful. They don't know what they're talking about.
So do you think she has just one?
That would be good.
Yeah, if she had one, she'd probably do great.
And we just have one derpy Nubian walking around.
Well, it'd be a Nubian and Nigerian. It'd be a mix.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, Luna,
What do you have to say for yourself? What do you think, Ethan?
We're gonna have a lot of baby goats.
We're gonna have a lot of baby goats.
where are we gonna keep
Yeah,
all
and
So
we're
the
not
let's-
gonna have
baby
milk
goats?
for a while.
So let's add them up. Hey, Penny has 4.
Tilly had 2,
Tilly had 2.
What- how
Doris
many
had
Doris
1.
so 8.
No, that'd be 7, right? Oh, 8 plus Luna, sorry. So 8 babies. 8 including
No,
Luna's.
I'm only
She's
seeing
gonna
one
be
in
out.
here, but I can't be confident on this
Because
she's
it's so early?
and
Okay.
she's a little harder to scan, so I can't see
If it's an empty sack or if something's in
if
it.
somebody else is in
Okay.
the other sack.
Oh my gosh, so we've got
A lot of baby goats.
That's a lot.
And we don't know how many Luna has, but she's huge, so.
Well, you know, hopefully she has just 1 or 2. That would be good.
All will be pregnant except Mabel.
Except Mabel.
Oh my gosh, the one that we were.
Yeah, so we're actually not gonna scan Mabel until she just bred like a couple days ago. So
Yeah.
like 40 days from now.
Sad day today, guys. We found a dead tilapia. So sad.
I don't know how. Oh! It's going in a hole!
Reach down and grab it,
Oh yeah, just grab it.
but don't fall in.
He's slippery. Oh, poor guy.
It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with him. I
I
don't see.
know. He's a big old one too. Well, been testing our water and it's really healthy, perfect water, so
I don't know what.
must
in
just
the
be
world.
a
She's been sick, I guess.
anomaly. Maybe, yeah, maybe he was sick, or maybe the fish ganged up on him and hurt him or something, the other fish. Oh well.
All right, guys, we just looked it up. Penny is due January 12th. Tilly would be January 13th. Doris would be January 14th. And Luna would be January 22nd. So we will have lots and lots of babies in the new year. It's pretty crazy. If Mabel gets pregnant, then she'll probably be due a month after that, like maybe mid-February.
Small.
Hold on, I'm not recording yet. Okay.
This is the big fin, and this is the small fin.
Kevin just said, hey, teach everybody about the parts of the tilapia, and Ethan's like, I don't know anything about tilapia.
And
Show where the babies
swimmy
go.
fin.
Swimmy.
Swimming one. Show the
So
mouth
you are
where the
talking.
babies go.
Are we gonna feed it to the pigs?
I mean, I guess so. There's,
Okay. Let's
I
toss.
wonder why it died though.
I don't know, it's so
There's no
frustrating.
reason for it to
Yeah, it's
die.
oxygenated. There, I mean, it's not too
It's just
cold.
Sick.
What do you think, Willow?
Do you like this fish? Ooh. No,
Ew.
it smells nasty.
Okay, go give it to the piggies real quick.
Okay.
Oh, Willow, don't come in.
Hello.
Here you go.
Oh, jeez, he's going to town.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
There he
They're
goes.
kind of spiky.
He's gonna eat it.
Yeah, they have really strong scales.
Oh, there you go.
Just squishing it up.
Can you open that jar? I can't get it open. I forgot to say that we actually got the results back from UC Davis for Mabel, and she is not a free martin, which means she should be fertile. So we gave her hormones, we gave her a bunch of supplements, lots of selenium and copper and all of that, and this is really our last chance. So Floki is going to, well, he actually already bred her a couple days ago, and we're gonna bring him back today to his home, so no more Floki. And now that all the girls are pregnant, we're just gonna wait 1 more month and then we'll test to see if Mabel is pregnant. So we'll see if she is. Okay guys, we just saw that Willow climbed up the tree, the big mulberry tree. And we're gonna go sneak on her and scare her.
She's all the way up there.
Look. Well,
Hi.
well.
What are you
Look
doing
who
up
learned
there?
how to climb up to the tree. Hey, did you find how to get yourself a snack? Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Look, she's eating all of the leaves on those
Oh,
branches.
she can't get to any more now.
Oh, she keeps climbing maybe.
Yeah, don't want her to fall though.
That's okay, goats can climb trees. Show us how you do it. Go. Oh, she's done. We caught you.
Okay, for today's episode of Kevin's Crafty Corner, I was very happy that people called it crafts instead of crap. So today we're going to do a before and after. We need to find a way to have this hay covered up so that the goats don't pull it out over the floor, and so that the birds don't all get on top and the turkey poops all over it and the rain gets all over the hay. So here's iteration number 1 that I know DaNelle's already going to nix.
Nope.
And so we're going to see what I can build with some corrugated metal I've got here. It would have worked. It would have totally worked.
Oh, okay, that's what you did before. Okay, got it.
And I'll have you know, Lydia, that some people say Kevin's Crafts instead of Kevin's Craft.
Well,
Hey, so this is still metal, so it still works,
yeah,
right?
it does still work.
You'll approve it, right?
I approve.
Keep
That
the
looks really sharp.
poop from emu off of it, and then also keep the goats from getting in and
Yeah, Luna
spewing
pulls it all out everywhere.
And the rain will be kept up. We're gonna put a shade thing here.
Yeah, but that's still in case we move it around. It's good, I like it. It's perfect. All right, time to take Floki back. He's served us well. You ready for a fun ride, Floki? Guarantee you lots of people are going to be taking pictures of us as we drive home, so that's okay, we're cool with it. Is ready for this embarrassing moment?
Yes.
Okay. You all right, Floki?
Lay down.
They're looking at us though. Mom, she's like look at all this room. She's all the way. Do you like our goat? Do you like it? Right. Did you survive? Do you remember your home? Okay guys, I got my dinner groove back. We've got mushroom risotto, asparagus, and some scallops. Look at that. And just in time, my yogurt is done. Let's see if it's done. Yes, it's done. Now I still like to strain it overnight because I like really thick yogurt. So I've got to do that. Well, and then I'll be able to package it into little miniature jars for everybody in the family. That's it.